Marco Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. So we have a really simple job with us today. We got this BMW 3 Series, oldie but a goodie. Really nice car for its age. The hood has got a lot of damage to it. We have quite a few dents on near the passenger side of the hood. We have some oxidation in here, and then towards the front, near the grill, we have a lot of chipping going on. We're gonna try and sand all that out, fix the dents, and give it the whole hood a fresh respray. Let the hood sit overnight. Just wanted to give you guys a really close look at the cured finish of what the stuff looks like. And as you guys can see, you know, really high quality results. Show you guys when, you know, you use the right products, have a decent spray gun set up, good compressor, you can really get those nice high quality professional results right at home. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.